Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. How to trade Pokemon cards safely. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Pokemon TCG Pocket and know the card values. Use websites like eBay or TCG Player, as we mentioned in the previous videos. You could just go ahead to TCG Player, right? Or just type eBay, right? Pokemon on TCG Pocket, all right, TCG Pocket, okay, to collect the value of it, okay, and inspect cards. Ensure the cards are in good condition, no bends, scratches, etc. Use trusted platforms. Trade on reputable websites like TCG Player, right, TCG Player, or local card shops, and set a clear items. Agree on terms like number of cards, shipping method before trading, and use protection. Don't forget to use protection. Ship cards in protective sleeves, top loaders, or padded envelopes to avoid damage, and start small. For your first trade, consider starting with lower value cards to build trust. These steps help ensure a fair and secure trade. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.